My check, my check, my check. You're welcome to Clock 9. My name is Ola Harry, and today we're discussing about trading psychological level. That is one of the most important way to trade these days, and let's see how that's going to work. So pay attention to this call so you can be able to learn how the psychological level is a very wonderful place to always enter your trade at all times. So let's see how it works. Let's see how that plays out. Now, don't forget that as you're joining us, you're welcome. Thank you very much for joining me. This section is sponsored by bybit. Bybit sponsored this session for Quebec 9. And don't forget that we also have three major classes. We have the beginner's class, the advanced class, and the master class. Okay, so let me clarify how it really works on our end, and I'll tell you how you can benefit from this. So currently our beginner class is for free. Beginner class is a paid class, rather. It's a paid class for now. You're going to pay 40 USD for 12 months for beginners class. Then you're going to learn almost everything all about crypto from elementary all the way to becoming a professional trader. Yes, that's how we go about it. And we have a separate class for it. It goes from Tuesdays and Thursdays, 4 p.m. Nigerian time. Like today, we're going to have our beginners class. Yes, and it's been a wonderful class whereby most people are really learning and they are really blending up to the task to ensure they become a profitable trader. That's very important. Being a profitable trader. Yeah. So that's it. And we have advanced class. We're always online Monday to Saturday, 11 a.m. West African time. We're always online. Okay. Checking the markets, doing analysis, and learning different aspects of trading. That's why we set up that class, advanced class, and it's free for everyone who who is in Quebec 9 community. Okay, to ensure they are constantly learning from like-minded stuff from other people, from other traders in the group, and the likes. And when they have any question or any issue, they can easily resolve their issue. Yeah, and we also have masterclass. Yes, that's my favorite actually because that's where we make money. That's exactly where we make money to ensure we are consistent with our building of our account. So that's exactly how it is. Now, for now, our class is free, but there are one or two things you need to do to ensure you join us. Yes, so we have a bybit link we're going to use to register your account, and then make sure you fund your account. After funding your account, just send your UID to the WhatsApp line. Then you will be able to join the masterclass for free in as much as you have used the link. That's exactly how it works. If you use the link, then you qualify to join the masterclass. Very easy as AB. So if you have any question, just drop in the comment section. And guys, don't forget, smash the like button and subscribe to this channel. I'll be so glad if you do, because that is what makes us grow in this section. Okay, so let's quickly get into the business of the day. We're talking about trading psychology, trading at a psychological level, and we'll see how that plays out. Okay, 1 minute. Yeah, my check. So let's continue. Yeah, so today, as we have said, we are talking about trading psychological levels. Okay, now almost all the coins you want to trade, they all have psychological levels where you have to pay a lot of attention. Is more or less like key. They are also key areas, but let us distinguish the psychological levels and let's see. Okay, so let's start from BTC. We're going to do this for a couple of coins, so you see the difference. There's a lot of difference, and it varies from coin to coin. So let's see how that works. Let's start from BTC. So we're going to clear all this. Let's clear all this. Let's clear all this. Okay. Okay, yeah. So yeah, my check. I hope I'm audible. Okay, so guys, if you can hear me clearly, don't forget to smash the like button. Don't forget to smash the like button. Okay, let's see. Don't forget to smash the like button and also just send hi on the comment section. So let me know that I'm audible. Let me know I'm audible. Okay, so now for drawing out your psych level for BTC is very, very easy. It's more or less the most easiest. Okay, drawing psych level for BTC is the most easiest because it has the round figures and you can see the round figures. So let's see how that works. Okay, so for BTC, we can let's draw out this. Let's see this. Okay, so let's use our horizontal line. So now looking at this, the closest cycle level is 30,000. So let's mark that area. Let's mark 30,000. Okay, can you see that? So that's number one cycle level for BTC. Yes. Then we have 3,500. So I'm going to use the white horizontal line to indicate this. So this is the higher time frame actually. So let's draw. Let's continue like that. So let's double click 3,500. So can you see that? So you will observe that at every psychological level, you can see the way the market is reacting. Okay, you very, very clear. You see the way the market is reacting to the whole process. So let's see. Yes, so let's continue like this. So let's check 29,000. Okay, just all the round figures, 29,000. Now, for psychological level, is more or less the round figure that a lot of people pay attention to. There are a lot of big traders, and this is the ideology behind psychological level. Now, psychological level are levels around up numbers. If you observe, if you want to buy anything, maybe you want to buy a mobile phone, you want to buy a car, when they are giving you price, they are giving you round numbers. Yes, they are giving you round numbers. And how does the round number works? Like they will tell you, okay, this car is going to cost you $10,000, right? Or this car is going to cost you $10,500. You understand? So those are round up numbers. Those are psychological levels, numbers, and it affects all different areas of our lives in terms of understanding how it really works. So that's exactly how it is. So in terms of trading, and I'm teaching how it applies to trading. Now for BTC, Okay, you can imagine from 10,000, 10,500, 11,000. You know, all those round figures, you identify them. So they also serve as area of confluence. They also serve as key levels. Yes. Now, I'm going to be able to distinguish between psychological levels and key levels. Yes. So let's see how that works so that you don't have any issues. So we have 29,500. Let's mark it out. So if you also want to learn TradingView, don't forget 29. Yeah, we teach TradingView full class in our beginners class. If you join beginners class, we have full course on TradingView. Yes, full course on TradingView. You will learn what it takes to become a profitable trader and also learn using TradingView very well. Those are the things that are very, very important. So you can see how I've been able to draw the psychological level. So the next one here will be 31,000. Looking to the upside. Okay, so double click. 31,000. Yes. Can you see that? You can see that the market actually reversed at 31,000. And with the look of things, you can see that BTC is actually looking head and shoulder here. So let me bring up my pencil. Hold on 1 minute. Let's see. Okay. So you can see here, you can see the head. You can see the way BTC is reacting to all the psychological levels. You can see here, that's 3,500. This is 31,000. Okay, this is 3,500. Okay, then this zone here is 30,000. Okay, and remember, look at this zone here, 29,500. Can you see? So looking at the structure, you see that it's really playing a vital role in terms of how the market react and how investors how they react to the market. Okay, you can see that most of all the key levels are well respected. Yes, as you can see. So you can go on and on and on like that. Let's see, let's look somewhere here. Let's do 28,000. 28. Guys, don't forget, if you can hear me clearly, just send hi, drop your hi, then 28,500, 28,500. Yeah, can you see that? So everything looks well aligned and well respected. Okay, so now looking at this, how do you use this to determine your trade? How do you use this to determine your trade? Yes. Now, don't forget that we also have price action. Okay, we have price action. Then I'm going to drop the video for price action. Maybe this week. Yes, I will make sure I drop the video for price action this week because it's very important to understand how you can use price action to do your technical analysis. Is the best way to trade. I can assure you, it's the best way to trade. Okay, yes. So you remember I said this is head and shoulder. Can you see that? You can see here. Let's do it well. Okay, this is the left shoulder, this is the right shoulder. Can you see that? Then this probably will be the neckline. Can you see that? So now we already draw out our psychological levels. Now the next thing you want to do is support and resistance. Support and resistance are also referred to as key levels. Okay, key levels. So how does support and resistance work? You see area, okay, where the market is bouncing and the market is playing, market is breaking out from. So here we have up, this is the resistance, then here this is the support. This is the resistance, this is the support, and we have uptrend, we have downtrend. So you can also refer this as consolidation, okay, or you can call it parallel channel, depending on anyone you want to use. Then we also have this up, up, and you see that up, support, resistance, support, resistance. Okay, so that's how you react to the market. Now, anywhere you see the candles gathered, then you can regard that particular place as support. Okay, if the market is moving, is coming from the top to the bottom, then you see support. If the market is coming from the bottom to the top, then you see resistance. So based on this particular trade, then this place serve as support. Okay, this place, can you see that? This place serve as supports. The market is coming from this region down. Okay, then from here up. Okay, this is a resistance. So the market broke through that resistance to the upside. Okay, and when the market is coming down, you can see that this area here is in a new support. So you can see the psychological level. You can also see the support and resistance. So let me bring it out clearly. So here, so let's go low to the lower time frame. Let's come to 1 hour time frame so we can spot more opportunities. Now look at this. Look at this. So already you can see this is a double bottom. Okay, so here, so I will identify my support and resistance with a red line. Let's go. Red line, can you see that? Here, can you see? So from this double bottom, as you can see, this double bottom, okay, and this is the neckline. You can see that the neckline is reacting to the psychological level at 29,500. Can you see that? So immediately the market breaks out. You can see that was a buy potential. That was a buy opportunity there from this double bottom to the upside. Okay, and we all know, as you can see, this is another one. So let's determine this trade. Let's use here, this place. The market is coming from the upside to the downside. So this place becomes support. Can you see? This place becomes a support. Yeah, can you see that? So after this downtrend, the market tried to push to the upside, but that was impossible. Then it broke through that support to the downside, and that gives a valid uptrend, a valid downtrend to the downside. Then before the market came to draw a double bottom. Okay, and you can see now. So here we have this as support, but on the other end we have this as resistance. Can you see? We have it as what? Resistance. And this resistance, as we speak, BTC has broken to the upside. That tells you that there are two things that will happen here. Okay, so we're going to have, since it has broken to the upside, and we are also considering our psychological level, so we're going to have something like uptrend, pullback, uptrend. Okay, for you to consider BTC continuous uptrend, then BTC need to close above 30,000. Okay, just like we have this candle closing above this resistance. Can you see? You can see that this candle is closing very strong. So automatically you are looking at buying power, the buyers are very, very strong in the market. So there's a lot of buying power here. So automatically the market is going up. Okay, now if you look to the previous level, this level here, you will understand that this level is very, very crucial to the other side. Yes, it's very, very crucial. Okay, so we are considering this box. Yeah, this box is very, very, very important. Okay, so that means we have been able to break 29. That's the support from the previous level. We've been able to break to the upside, which confirms uptrend. We've been able to break it all the way to 29,834. This is the resistance that we broke through. And the next level will be 30,000. So if we can break 30,000, then the next destination will be here. Here we have it as support. Okay, we have this as what? Support. But by the time the market is moving from the 30,000 region here all the way here, it's going to be what? Resistance, because the market is coming from lower region to the higher region. That's exactly how it plays out. So we have to respect that. So uptrend like this. So let's see how it plays out. Now don't forget that for you to have a profitable trade, you ought to have been monitoring this market from this region. And if we look at this region is Tokyo session. Let's look at it. Tokyo section. So I have an indicator that helps me to identify the region. Favorite. So we have FX market section. Okay, so let's use that indicator. Yeah, can you see the indicator now? So let me mark it out. Okay, so I'm only going to enable Tokyo session. I will disable other sections. So that's it. Can you see that? So we have a power play from the Tokyo session, right? Now, believe me, if you don't have your entry around this Tokyo session, then for you to have a very good entry here will be very, very difficult. Okay, because you want to break even. But as we speak, if we are planning to place our entry somewhere here, then we are hoping that BTC will continue the trend to the next resistance, which is 30,200, or you can say 30,218, this place. So if you place your trade here, then you are considering that BTC is on the ups, going to come to the upside all the way to 30,218. Okay, that is exactly what you're considering. But I can assure you that in terms of trading, this place is the most reliable place to place your entry. This is the best place to place your entry. Okay, so by now you should have break even, so you push your stop loss inside your profits by now. But with this is just going to be a short trade, because BTC can push to the upside and reject to the downside instantly. That can happen. You know, we are entering the New York session, and you know that New York session is very, very volatile. Yes, New York session is a no joke session. Yes, you don't joke with New York session. So you can see all the Tokyo sessions. Can you see it? So that is a wonderful indicator. So let's also identify New York session. Okay, this is it. So let's off Tokyo. Then okay. Yeah, as you can see, all the New York sessions has been identified. Can you see that? Can you see it? So from here to here, this was the previous New York session. That was yesterday. Okay, that's it. Then we are preparing to enter a new section. So by the time the new candle comes by 1 p.m., yes, then you will see another um, dotted rectangle around this region. Okay, yeah, as we'll enter into the New York session. I really love the indicator, and you can also make use of it. So the indicator is called FX market section. Okay, so let's remove the indicator so we're done using it. Okay, so I was able to identify that you can see BTC is already on the bullish trend. Okay, BTC is already on the bullish trend, I can see, and I think BTC needs, for you to consider uptrend continuation, BTC need to close above 30,000. Mark my word, and let's see how that's going to play out. Okay, guys, and then at this time, if you plan trading BTC, if you plan trading, make sure you take profits. Yes, that's very, very vital at this time. Make sure you take profit. So guys, don't forget, as you're joining us, you're highly welcome. We really appreciate you all the time. And make sure, as you're joining us, on the comment section, just say hi and also drop your location. Drop your location. And then don't also forget to click on the like button, guys. Smash the like button. I really appreciate that, so that we can get more recommendation to our live session. Okay, so please just take a few seconds to smash the like button if you're enjoying this analysis. So let's go to Ethereum. Let's go analyze Ethereum. Let's see the psychological level, and let's see how it plays out. Okay, so this is ETH. Let's go. Yeah, so this is it. So let's clear everything. Let's clear all the lines. Okay, so we are cleared. Yeah, so with this, where do we start from? Let's see. So let's start from 2000. $2,000 is the round figure. Okay, so that's it. That is 2,000. Yeah, so let's try 2050. Yes, 2050. Let's try that. 2050. Now look at the margin. Can you see the margin? Yep. So let's try 2100. Okay. Okay, can you see that? So those are psychological levels for Ethereum. So here, we are going in multiples of 50. Okay, multiples of 50. But I think, looking at this, we need to put another one in between. Okay, because the margin is very, very wide. Yes, margin is very, very wide. So let's pick from here. Okay, it's not bad. 2%. It's not bad. It's not bad, actually. It's not bad. So for BTC, the margin, let's check the margin for BTC. The margin from one cycle level to the other is 1.6. Okay, 1 minute. 1.6. 1.6. Let's see how that works. Yeah, my check, we're back. Okay, so looking at this, you will see that the margin is 1.6. Okay, and it varies. Okay, it actually varies. It varies. Yeah, can you see? It varies, but we'll talk about that maybe some other time. So let's go to Ethereum. And for Ethereum, I think this 2.5 is not bad because this is 4 hours time frame. Yeah. Now on the 15 minutes time frame, look at the margin. Look at the margin. Can you see? Okay. I actually think it's not bad though, but I'm looking at considering that this is a very good one. The market reacting to this cycle level. I always like to see when the market is responding to the psychological level very well. So let's see. Yes, it's not so bad. You can see this from the breakout, this area here. Okay. So if we have to put anyone in between, that will be this. Let's see if it makes sense. Okay. Yeah, so let's measure the margin. That will be so small. Be 1 point something. It's not even up to 1.5. That's 1 point. So that's small. So let's leave it the way it is. Yeah, what we have is good. We have something good already. So we're going to make this line white. The white line represents our cycle levels. Okay, white line represents our cycle level. So guys, don't forget, if you can hear me, drop your high and also drop your location. Drop your location, guys. Drop your location. Let's get your location, please. Let's get your location. Let's get your location. Let's know where you're joining us from. Okay, so let's do this. Let's go to the higher time frame. So multiples of 50. Okay, multiples of 50. So the next one here will be, here we have 1100. Then we're going to have 2150. Okay, 150. That's it. Yeah. Then it goes on and on and on like that. And here we have 2200. Yes, can you see that? So this is the psychological level. Psych level for Ethereum. Yeah, it looks good. 1950. Okay, so it goes. Can you see that? So this is the Ethereum psychological level. So guys, don't miss this. This is a wonderful thing for you to know, for you to understand and continue to play with. I believe that knowing this will really improve your trading. So let's go to another trade. Let's go to ADA. Yeah, so ADA is a bit, because of the price. Okay, it's different from Ethereum and BTC. So let's see how that plays out. Let's see how it plays out. So let's start from, you can see that here we have 100, 0.4100. Okay, 0.4100. Okay, that's psychological level 1. Then let's see the 0.42. 0.42. Let's see if that works. So let's measure the margin. So from here, it's not bad, but we have 2.5. Okay, we have it as 2.5. That's not bad actually. Okay, so that's multiples of 200. Multiples of 100 rather. Multiples of 100. Okay, so the next one will be 0.4300. Can you see that? Yeah, the next one will be 0.4400. Yes, it's as easy as that. See that? Yeah, can you see? That's how it goes on and on and on like that. And you can see the way the market is respecting the psychological levels. Yes, respecting the psychological levels. So 0.45, 0.45, that's it, this is it. 45, I'm trying to set it well. Yep. Then the next one is 0.46. Can you see? See the way everything is well respected? 0.46. Yeah, it looks good. Yeah, can you see that? Everything looks cool. Yeah, and it's actually respecting all the levels. I really love this. Yeah. So you can see from here, this is respecting 0.43, right? You can see that. Then this is the breakout, 0.44. You see that? It's closing above that psychological level. So it validates the uptrend pullback. So this is the higher time frame. By the time you check what happened here on the higher time frame, this is uptrend, pullback, uptrend. Let's see 1 hour on the 1 hour time frame. Yeah, can you see that? Can you see? Yeah, uptrend, pullback, uptrend. It's actually rested on that psych level. It respects psychological level. Can you see it? Don't joke with this. I can assure you, if you learn this, it's something that will really improve your trading. So for ADA, let's now check. You can see that in between the psych level, you can also spot support and resistance. Yes, remember that with BTC we're able to identify this double bottom. Can you see? This is the neckline. Okay, if you observe the psych level and the resistance, they're almost playing the same ball along these coasts. You see? So that place becomes a zone. So anywhere the psych level and support and resistance meets, it becomes a zone, and that zone is usually a very strong zone. So look at this. Can you see this? So we have this as breakouts from this psych level. Then there's a pullback. Okay, you can see the pullback, then uptrend all the way. Okay, so the next thing is to determine your take profits. So here, long position. So this is your entry if you have to trade this. Okay, so you can see that, I said for BTC, your entry has to be somewhere around the double bottom. But if you look at ADA actually looks very valid at this time. But if you check BTC, now, okay, so I said your best entry is somewhere here. That is your best entry, somewhere here, right? But if you check ADA, you will observe that at this time, not long ago, maybe something around, let's say 10, yeah, this trade became very valid. Okay, this trade became very valid. So that is around London session. But for BTC, the trade was already valid around Tokyo session. You see? Yep. So if we pick here as our entry, so I like to use this horizontal line orange as my entry, then where will be our take profit? So take profit is somewhere here. So we have TP1. This is your TP1 here. Okay. You don't need to worry yourself about 0.5. Though there may be pullback, but you can still hold 0.5. You can still hold 0.5. Then your TP2 is 0.6. Yes, so you are going to draw this position all the way to 0.6. Yes, isn't that wonderful? Yeah, can you see that? Isn't that wonderful? So you're targeting all the way to the top. All the way to the top. And I'm very sure that for you to achieve this, that's about 4.5%. Wow, that's a lot of profit. And I assure you of that. So if you have, this is a very good early entry. Okay, early entry. Now, okay, don't worry, just hold on, I will read your question out. So here, this is your early entry. Now, if you will have to consider, okay, if you have to consider this entry, like this as we speak now, then you have to consider dollar cost average. Okay, you have to consider dollar cost average here. You have to consider dollar cost average. Okay, so you buy. So if you are planning to buy this with $100, okay, so you can start with $20 around here. So as the market, if the market is still decide to come back, you can buy more. Okay, you can buy another 20. Then if the market decides to just move all the way to the upside now, then you can add the entire that will be $60. Then it goes all the way and you make profits. Okay, and for ADA is about 50x you can use. So some people will tell me, oh, they are scared of using higher leverage, but maybe we'll talk about that later, right? Let's talk about that later. So guys, if you have any question regarding what I've discussed so far, then you can ask your question. Just send your questions. Let me read your question out. Okay, send your questions. Let me read them out. Send your questions. Okay, so let's quickly say hello to our members here. Then we have Olufemi from Lagos. How are you? You're welcome. Thank you very much for joining us. We also have Victor Francis from Benin. You're welcome. We also have Confidence Emmanuel from the UK. You're welcome. How you doing? Nice meeting you. Then we have Ameno from Yola. Wow, all the way from Yola. You're welcome, guys. We also have Nkechi from FCT. So guys, keep dropping your location. Keep dropping your location. Keep dropping your location. Okay, Jeremiah, your question is not really clear. Your question is not clear to me. Say, please, how are you getting those numbers for those levels? How am I getting those numbers? Now, if you listen to me earlier, I said, look out for what? Round up numbers. Okay? Round up numbers. And if you check for ADA, I started from 4.44. Okay, 4.44, that's 4.400, 4.4400. Okay, so I was able to use that to plot orders. Then is now in multiples of 100. You can see that multiples of 100, that's 4.4400, 4.4500, 4.46, so it goes on and on and on like that. That's exactly how it works. Okay, you can see 4.43, 4.42, 4.1, 4.41. It goes on and on like that. Then the next one will now be 0.40. Can you see that? So that's for ADA, right? So I also did for Ethereum, and I've also done for Bitcoin, right? Okay, so let me just do this last one, then you guys can send your question, and don't forget to drop your location. Then we have Chris from Akwa Ibom State. How are you, Chris? How are you doing? Thanks for joining us. We're really, really glad you're here. Then guys, don't forget to smash the like button as you're joining us. Just smash the like button. Keep smashing the like button. Keep going, keep going. So if you can enter ADA is also a valid trade. Okay, but if any candle close below 0.4400, you have to close your trade. Okay, but because from here we are expecting this coin to continue to grow all the way. Okay, should continue to grow all the way. Okay, Chris, I just received your question now. You want to know the advantage and the disadvantage of higher and low leverage. I will come to that, don't worry, just be calm. Okay, so you can see that we're able to get a very wonderful analysis. Okay, so let's see how that plays out. So ADA is a valid trade, Ethereum is a valid trade, BTC is also a valid trade. So anyone you want to go for, they are all good. Okay, anyone you want to go for, they are all good. Yeah, BTC is doing well. Yeah, BTC is doing well, as you can see. But BTC determines the market strength. So BTC needs to close above 30,000 for the uptrend to continue strong. Yes, we need to continue strong, right? And don't forget that we are entering the New York session. New York session is a very strong session. Don't joke with that guy. Yes. Okay, so we have Arit Onion Robert from Italy. How are you? We also have Theophilus from Lagos. How are you doing, guys? Yes, those are our regular members in the house. I hope you guys are trading profitably. Okay, so let's check out the YDX, the YDX, the YDX. So let's clear all this. Let's clear all this. Okay, so if I want to get the YDX, let's get our psychological levels. So let's see. So you can see higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows. So let's start from 3.0. Okay, yeah, I can see. Let's be specific. Okay, then let's come all the way to 2.95. Let's try that. 2.950. Yeah, 2.95. So that is multiple of what? Let's check the margin first. 1.7. That's not bad, but it's a bit slow though. But let me check another one. So this is multiple of 5. Okay. And the next one, sorry, multiples of 50. The next one, if I will have to go by this, that will be, yeah, that will be this. Okay. Yeah, I think it's not looking bad. It's not looking bad. Looking at the way the trade is going. Yeah, looking at the trade. Then here will be 2.9. Is that? Yeah, 2.9. Yeah, it's not bad. Okay. Yeah, so let me measure this from here all the way here. That's 3.9. That's very much. So from here to here, so 1.6 is not bad. Yeah, we can go with that as well. Yeah, you can see the way the market is respecting all the levels. $800, 700, okay. Then in between, we now divide it. You get what I mean? Yes. Can you see that? Very, very easy. Okay, can you see? So we just achieved our psychological level for the YDX. Okay, you can do this to any coin in as much as you understand the numbers. Okay, you can do this to any coin, and I can assure you you're going to get the best out of it, out of this, if you understand how to plot your psychological level. Okay, so before I start to take different coins for different analysis, let me quickly clarify the question that was asked about higher leverage and low leverage. You see, it's not about higher leverage. What is more important? So let's say higher leverage. No, some people will be scared. Oh, I don't like to use higher leverage. No. Okay, no problem. And we also have low leverage. Okay, low leverage. Yeah, don't forget that we also have higher margin. We also have low margin. So before you condemn or you decide to have phobia for higher leverage, understand what it is first. Okay, understand it. Understand this, because they go pari passu. Yes, they go pari passu. When one is high, when one is high, one is low. When one is low, one is high. You understand? Now, do you know? Okay, King Val from Abba, how are you? Thanks for joining us. Do you know that if you have 1x leverage, this leverage, then this is margin. If you have 1x leverage and you have $100 as your margin, then you have 100x leverage, then $1. Do you know they are the same thing? Are you aware of this? Yes. Are you aware? Can you see? See the leverage. The first one, the leverage is 1x. The second one, the leverage is 100x. The first one, the margin is $100. The second one, the margin is $1. Do you know this is equal. Yes. In as much as we are using very high leverage on the second one. Okay? So this is what you need to understand. It doesn't matter the leverage. Your margin speaks. Okay? So when you are using higher leverage, what am I trying to let you understand? Use low margin. Okay? And then when you're trading, we always have what we call conservative. Okay, and we also have radical. Okay, so when you're trading conservative, you can go in 100x $1. You see, if your analysis is precise, you are going to make money. So for those who have maybe 50 USDT as their capital, this is very, very encouraging. Okay, if you understand your analysis, you can grow your $50 using this approach. Okay, but it's going to be very, very difficult to grow with 1x. Then maybe apparently here will be $50. It's very, very hard. Very, very hard to grow with this. Okay, the best way to grow is to go conservative. Then you can use higher leverage. Okay. Then the next one will be radical. Okay, now for radical, you want to go in with higher leverage, let's say 100x. Okay, and then maybe your margin will be somewhere around, let's say $50. Okay, so this is radical trading. Now depending on your capital, your total, let's assume you have $1,000 as your capital. Okay, if you use $10, that's 10% of your entire capital. Okay, if you use let me see, yeah, if you use 50, that's 5% of your entire capital, which is still good, which is still not bad. Okay, which is still not bad. But immediately you're going 10%, $100, then that's already radical. Okay, you're already going radical. And don't forget that if the trade continues to go in your direction, you can add more. Yes, you can add more to the trade. You can continue to add more to that trade. Okay, so that's just the way it works. Okay, yeah. So guys, I hope who asked that question? That was Chris, right? Is that Chris? Yes, that was Chris. So Chris, that's my response to you. I hope you understand. If you don't understand, let me know, please. But that's my response anyway. Let me see. So I think for the psychological level, if you still have any question, you can ask. Then God's favorite, how are you? You said I should do analysis on BTC. I've done that already. So maybe you need to rewatch this video. So if you need me to do any analysis for you, then drop your coins, guys. And as you're dropping your coins, make sure you like this video. Click on the like button, guys. Click on the like button. Click on the like button. Click on the like button. Let's go. Click on the like button. Okay, then don't forget, guys, keep dropping your coin. So we have the first coin I have on my list is ARPA, as ARPA USDT. Okay, let's go. Let's see. Okay, that was going on here. Let me clear all these lines. Already I can see that this coin is very dynamic. But let's see. So we can see a pullback here. Okay, then we can see that I need to break out from here. Okay, you can you see? So here, if you go to the lower time frame, you will see uptrend pullback, uptrend. Okay, you can see that. So the coin was consolidating, up, down, up, down, up, down, then boom. This is the breakout area. Okay, let's go to 1 hour time frame. In the 1 hour time frame, you see what I said? Yeah, breakout, retests, then up. Okay, so you keep bouncing on that area, but it's still on the uptrend. So you know that your entry is somewhere here. This is your entry. Okay, if you go to the 15-minute time frame, you'll see more candles. Can you see that? So can you see that? So it's on the uptrend. On the uptrend. So let's continue to check. So if you have to trade that coin, this is it. This is going to be like this. I don't know your entry. Okay, let's come close. Now if you check on the 4 hour, let me just tell you what everything is saying. On the 4 hours time frame, okay, it's giving us uptrend. Yes, breakout to the upside. It has broken to the upside. So that's an uptrend. Then on the 1 hour time frame, also give us uptrend, but there's a problem. There is a problem. There's another level here. Okay, let's cancel this. There's another level here, so we have to identify this as well. Okay, I have to use this red for support and resistance. Okay, now looking at this, this is still uptrend actually. Okay, so consider this place. So if you have to enter this trade, okay, this will be your entry to go long. The higher time frame is already telling you it's a long position. So here, so you have your stop loss around here, then you go all the way to the top. Can you see that? So this your trade, uptrend. Then we have mask. Someone said we should check mask. Let's check mask. Let's start from the higher time frame, top down analysis. Don't forget. So what's going on here? Let's clear all this. Okay, so what do we have? So we have, okay, you can see something like this. Okay, so it needs to break to the upside. To break out from here. So here, So that's a resistance. So for you to consider this as an uptrend, this coin needs to break this like this. Can you see? You need to break to the upside. If not, it might actually reverse, bounce here, then go down. Okay, you have to consider that resistance. You need to break to the upside before you consider this as an uptrend. Okay, you consider this. So let's go to the higher time. Let's see if it's going to give us the same information. Yeah, I can see the double bottom here. Okay, so now looking at this, you ought to have been in this trade before now, considering this double bottom. Okay, yeah, at least your entry should be somewhere here. It should be somewhere here. Okay, yeah, then your take profits, if you have to go long, it's going to be like this all the way here. This is your stop loss. That's your take profit over there. So you still also long position. Yeah, in a long position. And the next coin will be clay. Let's see clay. Okay, so let's go to the higher time frame. Okay, so clay just recover from this downtrend. So let's see. Let's recover. So here, yeah, you can see that. So here as well, it was able to break to the upside from here. So this is more or less like recovery. Yeah, so this is not bad at all. It's not bad. This is the neckline, uptrend. So this is your entry. It has a very valid entry because that place looks like a reversal. It's already a reversal there. Uptrend. Go all the way. This is your stop loss. Okay, this is also an uptrend. Then your take profit is somewhere here. Take profits. Then if you close above, you can continue to enjoy it all the way to the top. Yeah, so this is how it plays out. Yeah, can you see that? Okay, so it's also an uptrend. That's cool. Then what other one do we have? We have one harmony. Just check it out. High time frame. Okay, we can see higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows. So here we have this. That was a pullback. Then this is already a double top. Okay, so let's see if we can meet up on this. Yeah, this is already a double top. So this should be a downtrend. Let's see on the 1 hour time frame. Okay. Yeah. So for you to consider an uptrend, this should be a downtrend, right? For you to consider an uptrend, then you need to break to the upside. Yes. To break to the upside, then we go like this. Shorts position. This is your take profit, and this is your stop loss. Okay, that's your stop loss over there. This is your take profit. So for Harmony is short. Okay, as you can see, it's struggling to onto the upside. So as we speak, you have an entry already to go short. You have an entry already. So if I were you, I will clip a very close stop loss. Okay, so you go all the way down. Here. Yep, so that's the take profits. And you can still, write it down all the way. Yeah, but it won't come as an easy game. Okay, we have to be very vigilant. So that's how it plays out. I really love to trade this coin as well. But anyways, let's continue. So we have IDU. So we have IDU. Bybit. Okay, let's see what do we have here. So you can see something like this. Okay, so here this is an uptrend though, but there are a lot of things in the mix, so we have to consider them. Let's see. But I think if this coin gets to this trend line, there will be another bounce unless it breaks out. That's the only condition. So let's see IDU here. Okay, so it looks like I need to come fill this area here before another uptrend will continue. So here you can see that it's a downtrend already. You can see it's a downtrend. So after the coin broke this area here, is a downtrend on the higher time frame. Yeah, it's a downtrend already. Okay, so let's check. So that's the downtrend anyway. Then here will serve as pullback, downtrend, pullback, downtrend. Okay, so it's still coming here. So you have to wait for the coin to get here before you place your entry. You have to place your entry here and go short. That's the take profit area, somewhere here. But you have to consider this area here as your first TP. You have to consider that. Okay, then you write it all the way down. So that's for IDU. It's on a downtrend. Likewise, Harmony. Okay, guys. So this is all I have for today. If you have any question, you can still ask question on the Telegram session. Don't forget we have 3 classes. Beginners class, which is going to cost you 40 USDT. We have advanced class, which is free. We also have master class, which is free for now. Okay, for the month of April, our master class is free. And how do you get it for free? Make sure you use my bybit link. Then you qualify to join the master class. You don't have to do this. It's a matter of choice. If you think you want to trade with my link, register with it, fund your account, and let's come to the master class and let's trade. Okay, that's how you trade with me. Any coin I'm trading, you also trade alongside. So don't get it twisted. If you have any question, we're going to be here to always attend to you. And if you also make money from our analysis, you can also drop your result, drop your proof, okay, so that we know that yes, you're really making money with us. So guys, thank you very much. Then I will be in the master class. Okay, I'll be dropping signals for them. If you want to join the masterclass, make sure you reach out to me. Okay, so I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye for now.